Anyways, I know I'm sunburnt. See, look at that. It's like all sunburnt and shit. And, yeah. But anyways, just forget that it even exists. I pierced my own ear with, with the thumbtack on Thursday. And this is one of my ears. The other ear is completely fine. And I sanitized the thumbtack and everything, and but it's like all puffy and red, and I have no idea what to do. I'm afraid if I like go to the doctor, I might like lose my ear. Like be like Vince Van Gogh. There's like a lot of pus in there too. I'm gonna be a bitch. But like the swelling starts here. Oh, I'm whispering because it's like nighttime, everybody's asleep. Anyways, the swelling starts here and then ends right there. It's like all fucking puffy. This is frustrating. But this ear is completely fine, which I don't fucking get. It's crazy. So I'm thinking maybe I should just like put some ice on this for like an hour, and then yeah, I don't know what to do. It's like really puffy and it's bothering me, but it's really fun to play with. Keeps me entertained. Makes my ear bigger. I'm afraid I'm gonna like Vince Van Gogh. Yeah, I look ugly. I'm sorry, but yeah. Number 2. So leave your comments below and tell me what I should do. Alright, well bye guys. I love you.